Ma'am, I'm about to start filming. My cat is mad because we just learned we're giving her too many treats. So she is right now really pouting. So there's good fun times there. Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing a Temu haul, which you all know I absolutely love to do. Temu has had some huge deals going on lately. I'm going to just pull up my app right now. If you've never heard of Temu, Temu is actually an app that you can download on your phone, and I'm going to have a special link down below for you guys, by the way, so you guys can get additional special deals if you do go ahead and download the app. Now, the deals are also good for new and existing Temu app users. So right now they're having a huge spring sale, 50 to 70% off. They're constantly having flash deals, lightning deals, all of the things over there. So definitely make sure to check out Temu. Before we jump into today's unboxing, I do want to give a big thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of you guys. If you're interested in signing up to be part of the YouTube membership program, there's like a little button somewhere, I think down by the thanks button, where you can join and be part of the YouTube members. A huge shout out and thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of y'all, and thank you to Temu for letting me pick out these goodies for today's video and working with your girl for today's video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. As always, everything that I am showing you guys should be listed and linked down below, again with that special link to download the app and get special deals. Like, we're talking dollar deals. It is literally a better deal to stay in your house and do some online shopping with Temu than it is to get in your car and spend the gas money. If you don't happen to see the link down there, don't worry, just leave me a little comment with your favorite heart emoji or something, and I will do my best to get you guys that link. So starting off, this is actually something that I picked out once again because we need it. Kids are busy, life gets busy, so we need to keep these in more cars. I'm so sorry, my cat is just, she's doing her best to win me over to give her more treats. So this is a car vacuum. These work very well. Like I said, this is not our first one that we've ever gotten from Temu. We've gotten one other one, and my family loves it. So it's just like literally the perfect little car vacuum. It gets right in there. You've got different attachments that you can use, and it just plugs right into your car charger, and it's great. And the cord is nice and long, but like I said, it never fails. Like, if one kid needs it, the other one's not home and it's in the other kid's car, so whoopity bam bitty boom, we now have two. And it does have this little attachment too, which is nice to clean your little vents out and everything. So yay, kids will be super excited about that. So the next thing, this is actually something that I've seen floating around. Actually, this May, I think Shaq actually has this, and she was showing us when we were down in Florida last year that she got this, and it is a TikTok video music remote controller. Have you guys seen this all over TikTok? I was pretty excited. Look how cute this is. I think it helps you scroll too. Yeah, this is so freaking handy dandy. You can just sit here and click. Okay, oh, and this is the little charger. So it's a Bluetooth connector, and there you go. You put it in there and it starts charging. How nifty is that? I'm excited about it. And it does come with a little charger cord in here. Yeah, it literally scrolls for you, pushes play. I think it also records too. So yes, very happy with that. That I do believe came in other colors too. I am so excited. Look at this. Yeah, it's for my kitty cat, who's looking at me really mad that I've not given her some more of her chicken bites. So anyways, it's a cat scratcher. How cute is that? And it comes in other colors too. I am so excited over that. This is so flipping cute. These are pillow covers, I think. Yes. So this is a set of 4, and I know what you're probably thinking, like, you think they're gonna go back here. No, they're gonna go outside for the summertime, because I think it was, I did last year, I got a watermelon wreath, so I wanted these cute little watermelon pillow covers to go on the pillows outside to match. How nice is that? I love this, and these are really nice and soft. These wash really well. These are actually much softer than the ones you typically see on my couch. The one on my couch is almost like a burlap feel. This is like a really nice soft velvety kind of feel. I really like this. You've got the little zippers, but I thought this would really be adorable on our patio set outside. We've got like a little couch set. I thought that would be cute. And then I have, like I was telling you guys, the matching watermelon wreath. So yes, I'm gonna put this one of my doors now. If you haven't checked out the wreaths that Temu has, I would highly suggest checking them out. So I'm kind of floofing the flowers right now. But how precious is that? You can put it on your garage, your front door, your back door, what have you. But I just thought that was so cute. If you have a camper like my parents have, like an RV, how cute would that look on your little RV? And I feel like it would be really cute if you had like some sort of interchangeable button or something you could put here. I don't think, it wouldn't be called a button, but like a little wooden decor piece. So that's something I need to look into finding. I think that's precious. I was so curious about these. So obviously I love lash extensions, and so I got these. Literally look like the Kiss ones that I use. But what I was intrigued by is, if you see right here, the band is more clear. So typically, like the Kiss ones have like a little black band, and when you stick it there you can kind of see that band. So I wanted these because I thought maybe it would give it more of a, as it says, natural soft look. And you guys know, like the lash bands that I typically use, like the band lash, is always a clear band. So instead of having like the black band on my extension, I wanted to try these. So, and these are crazy affordable too. You get a ton of them. As far as the different size, it looks like they're all no, they're all different. This is cool. Look at this. It's actually laid out for you. So you've got like short pieces and then longer pieces too. And then it gives you the directions over here. These were crazy affordable, y'all. Spring decor. So I got these really cute dish tiles. How precious are those? It's a set. So you've got, you guys know me in my pink. What does that say? Home Sweet Home. And these do kind of have like a little bit of a microfiber feel for sure. So they're going to be great for like if you dry your dishes or anything. And look how cute this is. These are so freaking affordable, and you guys know I'm always thinking about gifts and whatnot. So like for example, I got some interchangeable, like when you put cold water in the cups, they change color and they have hearts on them and stuff. Well, for some of the kids that are coming to the bridal shower that are in Haley's bridal party, I got those cups, and then I'm filling them with different things, and then I'll have different stuff for the bridal party. I'm thinking potentially for the, what is that called? Goodie bag type of dealios. Yeah, they had a bunch of stuff on Temu that I was looking at, and I'm like, ooh. So anyways, I always think these are cute. End of school year, get some of these little dish towels. Like you get a pack of 2, and then you can get the wooden spoons. Like I talk about the ones I got all the time, the Golden Girl wooden spoons. They have different ones as well, and you could put a wooden spoon in here or 2, and then tie it with a little ribbon as an end of the year gift to the teachers. How precious is that? And like I said, it comes with a set of 2. So you can do, technically you could do 2 t-shirts for the price of 1. I mean, heck, you don't even have to put a wooden spoon. You could just wrap a little bow on there and a tag that says thank you. All right, so I got this cutesy little collar for my kitty. A cutie kitty sugar dumplings. How cute is that? And then it just clips Like, so this is like a really nice looking one. It was so cute. My husband had just gone out too and gotten her a leash. We're gonna try and start walking her. He did get a harness, but she's gonna have little jingle bells because she's like she's so quiet you can't hear her, and we don't want her back outside for her safety. Isn't that adorable? And it seems very well made too. I love that. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. It's a little travel case to put like the camera. I can put my camera in here. I can put my SD cards and extra batteries over here. This is really nice. It's so cute. And then you've got like a little, so you can carry it by hand. This is really handy. It was funny, I was talking to my girlfriend, talking about how I need to get a new camera, updated camera, and I want to keep this one. And this one could go out with me when I'm vlogging, which now we've got the perfect little matching case. Once again, this is for my kitty. So I have seen, she loves to get a brush, okay? And I saw these on Temu. And literally, she will take us over to her little basket of treats and hairbrush. And we give her like a bag of treats or the brush, and she boops what she wants. So if she wants the hairbrush, we give her the hairbrush and we'll sit and brush her. I've never known a cat to love to get brushed so much, but I saw these on Temu and I thought, ooh, she might like this. So you kind of like mount it to the wall, and then they can like kind of brush themselves too. I mean, we're still gonna brush her, but it comes with a little screws, and then it looks like double-sided tape stuff. So we're gonna try it out. I thought maybe she would like it. We shall see. I don't know. I have seen these candle warmer lights. So instead of having to burn your candle, you just put it under this light and it warms it up. Like, for example, my mom, where she rents her townhouse, they're not allowed to burn candles there. And I was like, really? I didn't know that was a thing. And apparently it is. Not just with her place, like a lot of places. So I found this. And now that we have a kitty cat, I thought, you know, maybe this is probably a safer option for her, like to put this up maybe high. But she's never messed with a candle before, but I also don't really give her the opportunity. You know what I mean? So I'll have, if I have this one burning, I'm literally sitting right here, so she can't mess with it. So this literally plugs in, and I don't know if it probably, I don't think it heats it up to the point of like an actual candle where it's really watery. I don't know, maybe it does. I'm definitely going to try it out, but I know this is like what my mom ended up getting. So then you take your candle and you put it on here, and then it's like a safer way to have your candles. Kind of almost like a melt warmer, I guess. I don't know, but this does come in other colors. She's never messed with them, but I'm like, are you in the wooing phase with us? I mean, she's lived with us for a few months now, and she's a really good kitty witty. But I'm like, what if you get ornery? You know what I mean? I think this is a cat toy for her. Like little wooden plates, and then it's got like this little ball, and then the balls are in here. So I definitely need to put this together. I don't know if she will play with it, but it's worth a try. This might be more kitteny little things, but I figured I would try. You know, was another one of these kitchen choppers, because I had gotten two in the past and I thought I saved one for myself, but I ended up gifting both of them, and I'm like, shoot, these are really, really, really good. And look at this. So it's in pink, literally everything you need to chop and slice. So this thing, you can put like your onion or your apple or whatever, and you can slice it, even like cheese. And then it has like a little peeler in here. It has all the different things that you need, which is really flippin' nice. Like really flippin' nice. But yeah, I had picked up, like when Temu first came around, I picked up two on two separate occasions and forgot that I had gifted. Like I know Haley had wanted one, and then I think like one of her friends, but I forgot that I gave the first one away. And then I was like, oh yeah, you can have that, give it to your friend, blah blah blah. Totally forgot. So then I saw pink and I was like, say less, I need that in my life. So when I say literally Temu has everything, you guys, this is just the start. There is so much more, from makeup to fashion to shoes to camping supplies. I mean, we even got last year, and they still work, solar lights for outside around our landscape. And I feel like everybody's going to start getting into the whole landscaping and mulching and all of that outdoor decor stuff. Well, Temu has that, so definitely make sure to check out the link that I have down below, because like I told you guys, you're going to get amazing deals specifically to that link. And then there's going to be coupon codes and bundles that are going to work for new and existing customers. You truly can't beat it. And like I was telling you guys in the beginning, Temu is always running different sales and deals and everything. But like I said, the link that I'm going to have for you guys in my description box is going to be a special link with additional special deals. So definitely make sure to check it out down below. If you guys made it to the end of today's video, thank you guys so much. Thank you to Teemu for letting me pick out these items and working with me in today's video. I definitely appreciate it. We got some good goods, okay? And if you're looking for fashion, whether it's winter, swimsuit, spring, whatever you're looking for, check out my other channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. I've done a ton of Temu hauls. There's a whole playlist. So anyways, friends, definitely make sure to check out mine and Haley's podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess, and then my other channel, which is called Hot Mess in the House, where I'm kind of doing like daily vlog, not daily vlogs, weekly vlogs and stuff over there. And then of course I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA4. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.